Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study without notes. First, cultivate active listening during lectures or when reading. Instead of passively absorbing, engage with the material by asking yourself questions and seeking answers. Immediately after each section, take a moment to mentally summarize the key concepts. This initial step helps embed information deeply, making it easier to recall later without relying on written aids. Next, enhance your memory retention with powerful techniques. Utilize mnemonic devices, like acronyms or rhymes, to recall complex information effortlessly. Visualize concepts vividly, creating strong mental images that are easier to retrieve. Implement spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals, which significantly reinforces learning over time. These methods build a robust mental framework for your knowledge. To truly solidify your understanding, practice active recall and self-testing. Regularly quiz yourself on topics without referring to any sources, forcing your brain to retrieve information. Try explaining concepts aloud as if you were teaching someone else. This highlights gaps in your knowledge. Furthermore, connect new information to your existing knowledge base, creating a richer, more interconnected understanding of the subject. Finally, consistent review is crucial for long-term retention. Dedicate short, frequent periods, perhaps 10 minutes, to revisit topics. Discussing the material with peers can also clarify concepts and expose different perspectives. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This comprehensive approach ensures you can confidently recall information without needing traditional notes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.